Do you want to go on an 8-night Southern Caribbean cruise on the Celebrity Ascent for a price that I haven't seen for quite some time? Well, if you do, stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our cruise deal show today. Thank you for being here. I have a great cruise deal for you today, but before we get into all that information, I want to thank each and every one of you folks who have become a subscriber of this Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing it. It is so appreciated by us. And if you're new here, you've been kind of lurking around for a while and you have not subscribed just yet, hey, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. It is free to you and you get all this great information. You get great cruise deals, you get reviews, you get tips and tricks. Thank you so much for doing that. And while you're down there, hey, hit that like button. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help this community grow. Thank you for doing that as well. Alrighty, so what do we have here, folks? We have a great cruise deal on the Celebrity Ascent, and let's get into that information right now. So the cruise deal I have for you is on the Celebrity Ascent. The Ascent is one of my favorite ships, and she is going to be doing an 8-night Southern Caribbean cruise. For this cruise, you will be going over to Curacao, Aruba, and then on to Grand Cayman. So yeah, this is not the typical ABC Island cruise. We're leaving Bonaire off of this one and we're replacing it with Grand Cayman, but it is still a beautiful itinerary on a beautiful ship. I do love the Celebrity Ascent. I've been on her twice and I think she is one of the best ships out there. You have great food, you have great entertainment, you have great service, and the ship literally is stunningly beautiful. Now, the date for this cruise is November 13th, 2025. It is a great time to go. It's right before the holidays. Get yourself all nice and relaxed before the hubbub and the craziness of those holiday seasons. Thanksgiving could be a little bit stressful. Christmas can be a little bit stressful. You might as well decompress right before those two holidays and get your nice chill game on before you get into that holiday season. Now, the pricing I'm about to show you is something I haven't seen for quite some time on an Edge class ship for an 8-night cruise to the Southern Caribbean. So you're going to be really, really impressed with this, and it's going to save you thousands of dollars versus the Celebrity website. So the pricing that I have for you folks is going to be for 2 people in the cabin. This is stateroom pricing. It is not per person. You're also going to have a refundable deposit with this one. It's a $500 refundable deposit. You're going to get the classic drinks package as well as the basic unlimited Wi-Fi. Celebrity calls that their all-included package. And I'm also going to give you the price with tips prepaid. This way you get a good feel about an all-included price for this cruise, and you won't have to spend another penny thereafter. But you can spend if you want, because you know what? You're also going to get some onboard credit with this cruise, and you can spend that on something nice. You can go to specialty dining, you can do a spa package, you can do an excursion with it. Use it how you see fit. All right, we have 3 different categories of room, and these cabin categories that we have are the last ones left. We do not have much inventory left on this cruise, folks. So if you want to go on it, let us know as soon as possible, because these things are going to go fast and they're going to go quick. The first room we have are the Edge staterooms with the infinite veranda. The price for the Edge stateroom with infinite veranda is $3,564.34. That's right, folks. $3,564.34, and you're also going to get $100 on board credit. Now, this is a great deal, folks, because if you went to the Celebrity website and you asked for the same exact thing, same stateroom, same perk package, same refundable deposit, and same tips included, well, you're going to be spending a lot more money. You're going to be spending $6,192.80 and getting $0 on board credit. That's a savings of over $2,600. A big savings, folks, for this great room. Now, if you're going up the Celebrity loyalty tree and you want to get up there a little bit faster, concierge class is for you. The price for those concierge class verandas is $3,730.34, and you also will get that $100 on board credit. Again, a huge savings, because if you went to the Celebrity website for this same room, same perk package, same deposit policy, well, you're going to spend $7,036. It's a huge savings of over $3,300, folks. What a great savings. Now, if you want to save a whole lot of money, we have Aqua Class for you. And this one, we only have one of them as well. Just like the Edge stateroom, we only have one at the price that we talked about. So the Aqua Class room, the price for Aqua Class is $4,600. $58.34, and you will get that $100 onboard credit. But if you went to the Celebrity website, they're going to want almost $10,000 for the same perk package, the same room, and same deposit policy, because they want $9,748.80. You're basically saving over $5,000 for this cruise versus the Celebrity website. It's a 2-for-1 deal. So you want in on this deal? Well, the easiest way to do that is to give us a call at the number right there down below. When you hit extension 1, that will bring you to me, Rob. If you hit extension 2, that will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you do not want to give us a call, I will leave a link in the description down below. If you click that link, it will bring you to a travel interest survey form. Fill out that travel interest survey form, and we will get back to you as soon as we can and let you know exactly what we have left. But as I said, not a lot of inventory here, folks. So really use the phone number. That's the quickest way to get in touch with us, and that will be the quickest way to lock in this rate for you. Now, if you are in your living room and you're watching YouTube and you do not have access to a keyboard or a mouse right now, the thing that I'm going to do right now is put up a QR code right there. If you scan your phone to that QR code, it will bring you to that same travel interest survey form. Fill it out. Let us know you want to go on the Ascent for this Southern Caribbean cruise, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So there you go, folks. That is our cruise deal for this week. It is a great cruise on the Celebrity Ascent going to the Southern Caribbean. I hope you enjoyed this cruise deal video. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, it does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this channel so this community can grow and they can cruise along with you. Now, if you are still watching this video and you have not become a subscriber just yet, hey, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing that. If you've been on the Celebrity Ascent, if you've done an 8-night cruise on her, we would love to hear from you in the comment section. We love people in the comment section, and we try to engage with each and every one of you down there. Thank you for doing that as well. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers, reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.